Morning, my lovelies. How are we? I'm back out, and we're not far from Nottingham, Redhill area. So today's walk, we are going to go down this way, turn right. I think it's Harker's Farm, one of my workplaces actually, funnily enough, and then onto Lambings Lane, and then we're going to circle around the lovely Bestwood Country Park, and we'll come up to the high point where we've been before, and then yeah, we'll head back this way. It's about 3.5 hours. Nice easy walk, no massive hills or anything, so but yeah, should be a good day. It's nice and warm. I was hoping to try out the new jacket, but unfortunately it's not raining today, so unzip that a little bit, and yeah, we'll crack on. But yeah, it's good to be out. Ankle's better now. And if you don't know, if you're not seen on Instagram, I will be doing a newsletter starting at the end of this month. So if you did drop me a message, inbox me on Instagram, or I'll put my email at the bottom, and then I'll be signing up for the newsletter every quarterly. Just catch up on the walks, recommended places, and say behind the scenes, but basically like this one, telling you about my ankle in the walk there. But anyway, little bits and bobs like that, and then snippets of what's to come as well. Because next week we've got a cracker of a walk, flat one, Riverside River Trent, down from Clifton Village, due to Barton and Fabbis, and then Thrumpton, then back into Clifton itself. So yeah, should be a cracker. But yeah, we'll crack on with this one today, and some sort of blue skies. Let's get going. I don't know why, I just find the contours and the shadowing on these fields like these absolutely fascinating. When you get the right clouding, you get some beautiful shots with it. Anyway, can't stand here all day. Bobbos, ladies, whatever you want to call them. So that is where we're going to come back out of at the end of the walk, and then back up. But for now, we're going this way on the long road to nowhere. Right, now, excuse the shaky wakey. So if you enjoy the videos, and if you didn't know, my trade is photography. So if you do like landscape photography, I do have two accounts, because I'm just using my personal one for street photography. But if you go to Instagram at Marv Hikes, there you go, there's the landscape. And Marv Nottingham is the street photography one, which I've just really started using again. But there's also the links on the website, which is millerphotography.co.uk, and there's also prints available. So depending how we get on today, we may end up with some prints on there. But yeah, I've been around the city anyway and got some the other day, and then back out in the Peak District in probably 2 or 3 weeks. So yeah, go and check it out. Don't forget to obviously following that, and like I say, I've got the newsletter coming up, so got a lot going on at the minute, expanding my empire. So yeah, anyway, we'll get on with this. So we're just coming up to a residential static caravan site. I think it's over 45 or something, so I'm not quite there just yet. Not far off, mind you. Anyway, so I'll get through and I'll see you the other side anyway. So we have just come off this little back lane, because the original way was that way, and that's the spoil heap. And yeah, it was a bit soft, and I thought, oh, I'll have a look, and stung. Anyway, so we're going back into the woodlands and in the shade for a bit. Then we'll cross over Violet Hill, I think it's called, and then head back down into Bestwood Village, and then loop round into the country park. See you shortly. And here we have it, we're out. And I can see Bestwood Village and everything behind me. Not a bad view at all. I'll turn the camera around so we can get a proper view for you. Here we go. So we are going to eventually be heading at top of this hill here, which is a viewpoint which we've been before, back down, then back up to Big Woods. But for now we are going here, following this path over into the lovely Bestwood Village. I passed by a friend's house, but he has to work today. He knows who he is, but anyway. And then we'll circle back round and back up again. But yeah, it's a very part of Nottingham that not a lot of people see. And to be honest with you, it's a shame because, as you can see, it's beautiful views. Because over that way, we've got Papplewick and everything, where we've been before. And in front of me, I've got Hucknall I can see, back a few miles away. And then I can see Nottingham, and not far from where I brought up. So yeah, it's a very underrated part, but it's worth a walk, especially if you've not been around this area and you're from the East Midlands. Like I say, it's not massive hills, but still cracking walks out of the way, and the views are, like I say, fantastic. So yeah, get your arse out to Nottingham. Anyway, let's carry on. Thought I'd scramble up on the little side, but that's the view. We've got Ramsdale Golf Course down this way, Goosedale down this way, where I used to work in the kitchens with a friend of mine doing there, and over there is Hucknall. There is Papplewick over that way, where we've been before, and then the expanse of all the starting of Sherwood Forest and onwards into North Nottinghamshire. So we've yet to do a few more walks. But anyway, let's crack on. So, just met a lovely gentleman, his little poodle, standard poodle I say, so it won't be that little. Anyway, from Giltbrook, just across the other side of the hills. Anyway, sat there talking to him, so he's gone and now I am gone. We are going, where are we? That away. Or should I say that away? There you go. Into Bestwood Village. We'll circle around, go past mate's house, and then get back onto high ground again over there. I'll see you shortly. Right, so I did forget to go along Moor Lakes, skip along there, but I'll bang a couple of photos up now. Anyway, so gone through the old part, just diverted a little bit because I thought I'd show you some of the old cottages, which I absolutely adore in the old part of Bestwood Village. But the route normally will come around Moor Lakes, over the bridge, and then onto the hill we're just about to get onto. So I've come through the old part and then back up. So if you don't know that route, just let me know, but it's straightforward. But yeah, anyway, we'll head back onto the mapped route, and then yeah, I'll probably see you at the top. Right, so I have taken a wrong turning. Nothing massive, but instead of going right round, because there's some works going off and they dug off the paths up, so I don't know what's going off. So I took this way and straight up. It's not steep and it says footpath closed, but it's not because the gate's wide open. Anyway, we'll get to the top of there because my battery's running out, and then we'll finish it at the top of there. But I will put the full route on, the original route. But like I say, if you want to know the way I've gone today, just drop us a comment down below and I can re-get it done and then put this route on for you. But yeah, we'll see you at the top, and the views to go with it as well. So we have a hell of a view, and we're not even at the viewpoint. So over this way is, well, this way should I say, is Newstead Abbey. We've got Limby the other side of this hill. We can just see a little bit of white housing over there, and this is, we've been there before. There's like a big dog walking statue. We've got Hucknall going down Bestwood Village this way, obviously, and partly this way. And then we have Rolls Royce here, which I think is shutting down in a few years. We've got Blenheim Industrial Estate with Bulwell. And then if I go in, this little tower, if I can point to the right direction, there, you'll see, just zoom in, just there, that is Swingate Water Tower, and you can walk across there, and that's where we've been before, Strelly Village. So one hell of a view, and it's nice and breezy up here at the moment, so yeah, see you. So we're at the top. There is, where are we? Where's my finger? There we are. Ratcliffe and Salt Power Station, which is due to shut. And these hills is Beacon Hill, Leicestershire. So you can see right across the city. I've come back out, and then obviously where we've been looking at. Right, so we are at the top, and that's 410.6 to be precise, thanks to Google, feet up. So it's one of the highest points in Nottingham. I don't know if it's the highest, I'm not sure actually, I'm sure it's Sandybanks. Anyway, so yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. Like I say, sorry to cut it short, but the battery's going. I've got enough thingy on battery pack to charge, so. But yeah, the full route will be below. All the description and the history and everything else is below, as usual. And I'll put all the social links, so yeah. If you did want to sign up to the newsletter, don't forget to either comment, put an email address, or inboxes on @MarvHikes on Instagram. That way I can add you to the list. So yeah, that'll be it. I'm back into Nottingham now. Stay safe. See you soon.